guys, tayo magluluto ng chicken skin for my laga. And her french fries. He loves french fries a lot. French fries. At dainunan guys, lutuin na ba niya? Lutuin na ang inan-inan. At my alaga, he loves this a lot. Chicken skin na daw. And her french fries. Na naluto guys. Kaya mo kaon ani guys. Wala nang buk. Ang agang ilaging ni si Marvina. Hey Rosalinda, what are you doing? You eat? And the cooker. Thank you so much for watching. Sayonara, babush. Mga tayon, minasang, itadaikimasu. Mga nan.